So exactly what is XLI? XLI is Agilix Extensible Learning Infrastructure. Yep, that's a mouthful. Here's an easy way to think about it. Think of your application as a skyscraper. We all know there are hundreds of different types of skyscrapers. And we know that every skyscraper built contains at least 80% of the same stuff. They all have in common glass, concrete, wood, marble, elevators, bathrooms, phone lines, air conditioners. The list goes on and on. But even though each skyscraper has many of the same basic components in common, each skyscraper also is a unique design, and it has a unique purpose and function for their owners and users. No two are alike. Here at Agilix, we've had 10 years' experience architecting and implementing learning solutions, and this has taught us a lot about the basic components which go into creating just about all educational applications and platforms. So we created XLI, which is a full-featured collection of software components, which are called APIs by programmers. XLI also consists of many huge and powerful servers, which safely store and manage all the students, teachers, classes, texts, gradebooks, and much more for all the applications which connect to it. And just in case you're wondering, yes, it is in the cloud, and it's big. There are literally millions of users connected to XLI. This means you still have the same sort of requirements for storing information and manipulating data, whether you're creating a world-class assessment application or a learning management system or a course registration application or a personalized learning system. Yes, you need the same basic components to build all of these apps. And with XLI providing the right components, you can architect and build any learning skyscraper you can dream of. Why is this important? What we're saying is that we've already built much of your application, including your server infrastructure. It's tested and it's ready to deploy. Let's use another analogy, an iceberg. We all know 80% of an iceberg floats beneath the water. The only part you can actually see is the 20% above the water. The same is true with XLI. 80% is already done, and with only 20% of the work left to do, it helps you focus on solutions that meet the exact needs of your customers without the risk, expense, and time associated with building from scratch. You may be asking yourself, don't other systems allow you to customize them? Yes and no. Other systems use templates, skins, and different color schemes, so you're able to brand their products with your logo. But is that what you really want? Their product still has the same features, same limitations, and you're guaranteed to see the same feature set in your competitors' offerings. Back to the iceberg. The XLI building blocks are underneath the water. They leave it up to you to define how they look and how they're used. This means you can create your product just as you would like it to be. It can be designed to run on laptops, tablets, netbooks, even smartphones. It's up to you. And if you need help designing your best-in-class application, our Agilix IdeaWorks world-class professional services team can walk you through the process, doing as much or as little as you like. At Agilix, we provide everything you need to get started, including hosting, support, tools, and training. So the bottom line is XLI helps you deliver world-class, custom, and differentiated learning solutions. And you can do this faster and with less risk than ever before. You can add a third option to the traditional choice between build or buy. Build or buy, or XLI, can become your new motto.